Bad chick, I could be a fantasy. I could tell you got big, big energy. It ain't too many of them that can handle me.
Alright, you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nail by Chris. If you're a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey. If you are new, hey boo, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, please, and thank you. Alright, you guys, big shout out and big thanks to Airsee, Airs for the electric nail drill. It's portable, rechargeable, and I am honestly quite in love. This box is very compact, very straight to the point, and it pretty much is giving what it's supposed to. So let's open it. We're gonna take the top off, and voila, here is the nail drill. Is it Airsee or RC? Like, y'all, am I pronouncing it wrong? Anyways, you guys, I had a really hard time getting it out the box. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Why? Just why is this plastic so tough? Like, do y'all not see that I'm having a hard time? So I just kind of had to like pull it out a little bit, and then bam, out came some accessories. So it comes with a USB cord to charge your drill. It also comes with 180 grit drill bits. Then it has like, you know, the little extra accessory drills bits that you may or may not use. Most times don't. And then we have a little user guide just in case you're trying to get a little more familiar with the nail drill. You can use the user guide to help you out with that. But pretty much the drill is straight to the point. It's very, very kind of like, you know, lightweight. It's easy to hold, handle. It's a little weighty, but it's not like heavy. It has 3 buttons on it. It has the power button, it has the plus sign and the minus sign. So the power button, when you turn it on initially, it's gonna blink multiple times, and it's because it wants you to choose the option of a forward or a reverse. So you have to press it again if you want to forward or reverse. So I pressed it once, it automatically just forwards it, and then of course it's at its highest power, which is 35, but that's what the plus and the minus sign is for, because you could turn it down for if it's too powerful or too much for you. But for the most part, this is a very cool drill to use from what I'm seeing, from what I've opened. And we're actually about to do a whole little tutorial just to see, like, you know, how it works, and you just, you know, let's see what it do.
Ready for Christmas?
Not good. Ready as I'm gonna be. You got a second shopper?
I finished up yesterday.
Okay. I ain't about a gift.
You know, a lot of people say that they had to get started.
You guys, that concludes our unboxing video, and I gave kind of like a slight intro and demonstration on the drill being used, the sound, and just basically how well it works. And as you can see, nails laid, drilled, and slayed, period, to perfection. I actually really do like this drill, so I'm gonna keep this for like pedicures and stuff. But anyways, until the next vlog, bye.